Hello, I want to share with you my favorite tool in Google Suites. It is Google Classroom. Here is one of my classrooms that I'm currently using. And I love that I have the class code on the stream page. It's easy visible for my students to see, and I can post it nice and large. The second addition that I like to the new Google Classroom is the Create section. I'm able to, at a click of a button, make a quiz through the quiz assignment, for it gives me an instant Google form that I can adapt and create for my classroom. I also like all of the other options, including the repost that I can use in order to give another post to another classroom, and I don't have to create the same post again. The next thing I like is having my Google Calendar already accessible. My class drive is accessible as well. My most favorite feature that I found is this grade book. The grade book is so helpful to see all of the assignments listed, as well as class averages and students updated posted grades. They're able to see them, their parents are able to see them. There's never a question about what is going on with them in their classes. This is my favorite tool, and